Okay, so I'm done designing the box, and I've printed everything out, and then I've put a circuit in here. So I can just show you everything that's in here. So basically, over here we have my name. I just put that in just for fun. And then over here we have the power outlet. So what this is going to do is this is where the actual Howard DC power jack, which is like this right here, it's just going to fit right in here, and it'll power the whole project. And then if you look over here in the back, you can see a few ventilation holes. So what I did is, since there's going to be a 12-volt input into here, there's going to be a 5-volt regulator pushing that down. It's going to emit a lot of heat. And I also have 4 N-channel MOSFETs. And the thing is, that's going to, what that's going to do is it's going to output a lot of heat. And I don't want the heat trapped in this box, so I just put a few holes, 4 holes here, 1 on this side and 1 on this side. So that basically what will happen is, the heat can basically escape, and I don't know if you can see this if I turn on the light here, but you can sort of see the metal, I think. Yes, you can see those reflection. That's the actual heat sinks of the MOSFETs in this case. And so basically the heat that's over there will just come out, and the box won't be as hot on the inside. And then what you can't see over here is below this there's sort of a sink, like there's an outline for this button to follow over here. I don't really know. There's an extrusion basically down here. Basically over here with the button, what you can see is it fits perfectly. Like, it's a very tight fit. Like, it's sort of tough to pull it up or push it down. And then same thing with this right here, the LED strip holder. And basically if I like push buttons here, for example, it's pretty easy, it's not going to get out or anything. And then over here, same with this thing, if I plug the LED strip in, what will happen is it's not going to come out real easily because it's a really snug fit in there. And so it printed out the exact right side, so that's pretty good. And so yeah, that's pretty much all of it in here. And then what you can see is underneath here it says Smart Alarm Clock. I just decided to start putting the titles of my project on here, just because I think it will be nice to like remember and actually have like physical evidence of what this mysterious black box does. Alright, so to end this off, let's just plug everything in so you can see how it'll look at the end. And over here on this side you can see this little notch. On the notch, so that's where the black wire goes. The black wire goes in the notch. And I also made the rightmost pin slightly blue, so you know that's where the black wire goes in. So put in the red wire here, and then over here it'll just fit in. And then to keep that in place, I glued it in place using hot glue. So basically, it's just because I tried using tape or something like that, but the tape wasn't just sturdy enough to hold that in place. So I used glue, and the power outlet stays in place. This is how it'll look when it's done, and I think it looks pretty good. I wish I sort of made it thinner. I could have done that so basically when I made the button and this floating, I made the wires really big, so the actual circuit's like this thick. And then the power outlet and button take up just that much space because of the extra wires sort of on there. So if I had to do this again, I'd probably make the wire shorter so I could like maybe fit it into like half the size if I'm lucky. But yeah, that's a project, and it looks really good, and I'm gonna go mount it up right now.